continue to work hard, and so that we'll see how far we go. This is a young team. We are coping with the situation. I mean, second half we came strong, we played well, and so it's all that they took their chance. And so for me, it's not a bad game at all.
Coach, the first half we saw you make 2 substitutions. Was it due to injury or tactical reasons?
No, tactical reasons. We should play a game, and then you see that some people are playing minors. You need to bring them out. And when you saw the changes, when it helped in a way because we were able to restore our normal game. So for me, I think that it's not that painful. We'll still move forward and see how we motivate them and going forward. This is what we have. We have to keep working hard so that we can get there. It was not a bad game at all.
Thank you very much, Coach. The head coach of Kumasi, Asante Kotoko, Coach Nurudeen, is the man we just spoke with. And very soon I'll be joined by the home team coach, the coach of the moment, the coach who just won the game, Dr. Prosper Nati Ogum. Another victory for Kumasi, Asante Kotoko. Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, a very good game for your side. How excited are you?
Very excited because today you can see there's an upgrade in our performance. They played better than previous games. We look more committed. We look more hungry to score more goals. So it's good for the team.
Coach, we saw a different approach from you in this game. 3 back with your wing backs attacking the spaces. How effective was that for you this afternoon?
Very effective. I think you saw it. That did not give Samartex the opportunity to play their normal game that they used to play. We were able to cut them from the flanks because we realized that anytime, per their previous games, anytime they had the ball from central, they go wide. So once we placed the wing backs there, which are typical defenders, we created a trap for them and then we're able to put pressure on them. That's why we're able to press for the ball, win the ball, and then play forward. So it was a good structure for us, and then the players were able to play within the structure. So I think it's good for us.
Coach, finally, Amoah, his energy level, how he was able to cope, and his 3rd goal of the season.
Yeah, I think all that I can say that congratulations to him. I think he's done very well. The energy level, as you said, is very high. And then you could see that today he was running a lot behind the defense. He was using the spaces behind the defense. And I'm happy for him. He should just keep his focus. He shouldn't let this eat into his head so that he will relax, but rather he should make him work more harder to work harder and then get the results for the team.
Thank you very much, Coach. The head coach of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Dr. Prosper Nati Ogum. Now I'll be joined by Amoah, the man of the match, and in fact the man who got the goal. Albert, a fantastic game. Na season you won your 3 goals. Sen also feel after getting your 3rd goal of the season.
Oh, manager, na. Ama more encouragement. Mami say meet me here. So sana me feeling.
Now and then that energy no was through. I said from minute 1 to minute 90, all runners are dropping behind. Oh, boss, no. Now Sansonia go can hono. Instruction from the coaches for you before this game.
Oh, yeah, park no say you need determine about park no so yeah by so bia be adwuma. So and yeah supporters no so say almost no mama energy na say ade wo abra kra wo tie supporters no we can do more.
Albert, our target as a player this season
say me to me aji go okay inshallah.
And so far 3 goals in the and say oh kwa no.
We share energy na players and the money tactics are your coach no any supporter you no outside now amount energy amount like I say you can do more.
Thank you very much. So the man of the match, Albert Amoah, fantastic player by all standards, formerly of Accra Great Olympics. 3 goals so far for him this season, and he believes he can win the Golden Boot. You know, the top scorer of the Ghana Premier League. Kotoko have had lots of strikers from Mbella to the likes of Desimo Kwala. Now they have Albert Amoah, and he seems to be doing the work quite well for them. It's all over here. This is the Linkley Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko have got their 4th win of the season over Samartex. Robert Konye, keep watching Globe Television.